So for problem number 18, let's go ahead and tackle the tangent of 2 theta. And I'm going to ask you again, cotangent is positive, cosine is negative, so what quadrant are we in? And if you said third quadrant again, you are correct. So if the cotangent is the adjacent over opposite, then we have something that looks like that. The adjacent leg is 3, theta is there, label that -3. Opposite would be a 1. -3 over -1, adjacent over opposite, is going to give us +3. Then 3 squared is 9, plus 1 is 10. Hypotenuse has a length of 10. So again, we can do a squared plus b squared equals c squared. -3 squared is 9. 9 plus 1 squared, or -1 squared. 9 plus 1 is 10. C squared is 10. C happens to be then radical 10. Remember, the hypotenuse is always going to be a positive number. All right, so what are we trying to find? We're trying to find the tangent of 2 theta. Okay, so the tangent of 2 theta is equal to, we can see the formula right there, 2 times the tangent of theta. Now, what's the tangent of theta? 1/3. Opposite over opposite over adjacent. And then we have over 1 minus tangent squared. 1 minus tangent squared. So what is the tangent again? 1/3. So now we have this fraction that with a little bit of effort we should be able to simplify. Let's go ahead and multiply the 2 times 1/3. Let's make that 2/3. Over 1 minus 1/3 squared. That's 1 over 1/9. Or 1 over 9. We have there's a couple different ways we could do this. What I like to do, first of all, is I just like to get rid of the fraction within the fraction. So if I multiply top and bottom by 9, again, you can do this any number of ways. 3 goes into 9 3 times. 2 times 3 is 6. Now, 1 minus, this would be a good idea to do, I think. 1 minus 1 over 9, that's 8 over 9. So let's make that 8 over 9 and multiply it by the 9, okay? So we could multiply through by 9 to get 9 minus 1. Or if we combine the 1 minus 1/9 and get 8/9, and we multiply that by 9, then we still get 8. So bottom line is we get 8 in the denominator, and 6 over 8 would be 3 over 4. So there you have it, 3 over 4. I like these answers because they don't involve radicals, nice and clean, and hopefully that makes sense. So I just basically did each one of these problems, sine of 2 theta for the first one, cosine of 2 theta for the second one, and tangent of 2 theta for the third one. And where if you were doing these problems and you had to do both or all three, A, B, and E for each one, then basically it would take you 3 times as long. But we'll just settle there for now, and we'll pick up in the next video hopefully the last 3 problems in this section.